Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? Every year you say, this is my year. But then, it's not. 2023 flew by, 2024 is slipping away, and 2025, well, it's looking pretty shaky too. I used to be the same way, scrolling TikTok for hours, playing games until my eyes hurt, and telling myself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. Sound familiar? Well, today, we're breaking that cycle. Let's make next year actually your year. Here's the thing. You've been trying. But let's be honest, trying isn't enough if you're not really committing. I used to do this all the time. For example, let's talk about the gym. You know how it goes. You sign up in January, full of motivation. You go hard for 2 weeks, maybe even 3 if you're feeling fancy. But then, life happens. Work gets busy, your friends want to hang out, and suddenly, you're back on the couch telling yourself, I'll start again next week. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. You're not alone. I've been there too. I'd buy the gym membership, get the fancy water bottle, and even download the fitness app. But after a few weeks, I'd find myself scrolling Instagram instead of doing squats. And you know what I realized? The problem wasn't the gym. It wasn't even my schedule. It was me. I was waiting for motivation to magically show up. Spoiler, it never did. The truth is, motivation doesn't come first. Action does. You don't wait to feel motivated to go to the gym. You go to the gym, and then you feel motivated. It's the same with everything in life. Waiting for the perfect moment is just an excuse. The perfect moment is now. Let's do a quick time audit. You have 24 hours in a day. Sleep takes 8, work or school takes 8, and eating, commuting, and just existing take about 2. That leaves 6 hours. What are you doing with them? Scrolling Instagram for 3 hours? Rewatching Friends for the 10th time because it's iconic? Staring at the ceiling thinking about how you have no time? Newsflash, you have time. You're just not using it well. I used to do this all the time. I'd tell myself I was too busy to work on my goals, but then I'd spend hours double-tapping pics on Instagram or laughing at Chandler's sarcasm for the 100th time. And you know what? It's not that I didn't have time. It's that I wasn't prioritizing it. Think about it. You wouldn't skip paying your bills because you're too busy, right? So why skip investing in yourself? Your goals deserve the same level of urgency. Those 6 hours, they're your golden hours. Use them wisely. Here's the secret. Goals are useless without systems. Saying, I want to save money is cute, but what's your plan? Are you tracking expenses, automating savings, or just hoping your bank account will surprise you like a pop quiz? The same goes for fitness, learning, relationships, everything. Systems are what make you show up on the days you don't feel like it. They're the boring routines that actually get results. Meal preps, study schedules, workout plans, they're what separate the achievers from the talkers. And here's the thing. Systems don't have to be complicated. Start small. If you want to save money, automate $50 a month. If you want to get fit, commit to 10 minutes of exercise a day. Small, consistent actions compound over time. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Let's talk about the grind. It's not glamorous. It's waking up early to work out when you'd rather sleep. It's skipping plans to study or work on your goals. It's putting in effort when no one's watching. The grind isn't fun. It's necessary. Stop waiting for it to feel exciting. Just show up, do the work, and the results will come. But here's the good news. You don't have to do it the old-fashioned way. We live in the most resource-rich era ever. Free tutorials, apps, communities. They're all at your fingertips. Want to learn coding? There's a YouTube tutorial for that. Want to get fit? There's an app for that. Want to start a business? There's a template for that. The tools are there. The question is, are you using them? Here's the big question. Are you really trying, or are you just dabbling? There's a difference between effort and consistent effort. One gets you short-term results, if that. The other transforms your life. Be honest with yourself. If you're not where you want to be, is it because the world is against you, or because you're not fully in? You can't half commit and expect full results. It's like planting a seed and only watering it once a week. Sure, it might grow, but it'll take forever. If you want real change, you need to show up every day. Even when it's hard. The world isn't going to fix itself for you. It's gray and colorless, and that sucks. But you're smart, strong, and adaptable. Most of all, you're a kawaii. You can fix yourself, and maybe bring a little color back into everything else too.